don't like being on the camera. Hey guys, so we're on our way to, where are we going? Where? Titi? Titi what? Titi's house. Titi Peachy's house. We're on our way to my sister's house because she's going. On Wednesday was my stepfather's birthday, and today she wanted to cook something for him. So we're all on our way there just to spend some time together / celebrate his birthday. So let's go. Guys, here's my sister's car. I don't think you guys seen it since that only video I posted when we got the car. I always say we like if it's my car. But this is the car. And guys, I learned how to park. I'm gonna actually post a little video of me parking the car right now.
That's right. The wheel is straight, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's in a bit. Mommy, look very fast. Look at this very fast.
Look what I'm doing.
When we get upstairs, you gotta look at me do this. Okay? And look. And Mommy, this is so cool.
So yeah guys, so that was me parking the car. I'm still showing you guys the car. And I know how to drive, as you guys see from DR, and I don't really know how to park. That's my struggle actually. So the fact that I was able to park like this, parallel park, that's like the best thing. So yeah, I was really excited about that. Hey guys, hey bada swing. It's facing you now. Focus the camera.
So guys, yeah. We are going to Titi Hennessey's house. Look guys, we just in the car and now, look. It's drizzling. I don't know how is it drizzling, but we just came here. Mommy, tell them how much numbers.
Numbers for what?
On the day. So, hi guys. Yeah. This is so fun. Okay.
So that was definitely a fail. That video was on Saturday, was taken Saturday, and today is Wednesday, the 19th, and that video was Saturday the 15th. We didn't get to go. I'm not even gonna say why, but we did come here to get a car wash. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. We're gonna wash the car. We're gonna hand wash the car. Why spend $40 on the car wash when you can wash it with your hands for $6 for 8 minutes? So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you guys the car before and then the after. So this is the car before, because Nai parked it under the tree, so it got really messy. So hold on. No, it's not fast because I don't want to get her plate. It is dirty, guys. Yeah, it's really dirty. So this is the before. I'm gonna show you the after. Take the water or the soap? Whichever. Do the soap. Where's the sponge to scrub it? Oh, yeah. You gotta wet it first. Yeah, wet it first. Look at how. Hand washing. What am I doing? Now, tonight, relax. You just started. The minutes are not gonna go anywhere. But in the car. All right, now I'm gonna go grab the soap. So, here we go. Oh wow, this ginger ale is really cold. Come and look at this. She don't know what she's doing. She don't know what she's doing.
I'm trying.
Yeah, but I mean, it's better than spending $40. Scrub it, scrub it. Mira, mira. Está que linda. Ay, I forgot the wheels at the other side.
Those are the wheels too, right? Hey guys, I'm here walking the car.
Oh my God.
This is coming out nice. I should get some work for this. This is heavy.
So we're washing the soap off. This was way better than getting a car wash. Like, this is just fun. The wheels tonight. And it says the time here. We have a minute 20 seconds. That's enough though, because it's already ready. Look at this car. Who said we gotta spend so much money? Well, we can wash the car for $6. Hey. Look how nice. The wheels. No, that was not much. What did you get to her face? Ah! I don't know what she's saying. I finished! That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. That's it. Okay. It's kind of open. You have jeans on today? You don't really wear jeans. You look so cute. You're always with tights. He's going around. Bang. Go back. Mama, bang. Look at you. Say hi to the camera. Say, what's up, guys?
Today, my mom is watching it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait, move back. Move back, bang, because the car. It's going around. That was fun. Maybe next time you can help us, okay?
Can't do the washing it.
Yeah, next time. See you later. Thanks for your service. Your $6 service.
What's she doing?
She's doing a U-turn, I guess. She wants to come over here, guys, for the vacuum. She wants to vacuum the car. You vacuum the car for $2.
Look at that.
Deposit 8 quarters.
Look at
Oh, it
that.
has to be quarters. Hey, it has to be quarters.
The ice cream
The
truck.
ice cream. Are you going on ice cream? I don't think it's gonna stop here though.
It is. Look.
I have to stop her. So now it can only be quarters. Bang, no, bang. You gotta stop her. Be careful. Stop her, stop her, stop her. Wait, wait. She didn't see it. She didn't see us. It's okay. We'll look for another one. We'll look for another one.
Mom, help me dry it.
Ooh, let's help dry it.
Here.
I forgot about that. Hey. So now it's only quarters. You have quarters?
Yeah.
Look, here's $1. Oh.
Yes.
Scrub, Nova, scrub. Well, not scrub, but dry, I should say. Oh yeah, re-drying the car.
Yeah, but you wanna vacuum and we'll do that?
Yeah. Here.
No. I'm talking to Dia.
Want me to vacuum? We gotta take out.
Yes.
Alright guys, so we're about to put the quarters in. 1 quarter. 2 quarters. Oh god. 2 quarters. 3 quarters. 4 quarters. 5. 6. That's what I said. 7. We can do this by ourselves. We don't need to spend no $40. 8. Woo!
Be careful with that wire. Get it.
No, this doesn't suck up anything. It looks old because it don't do nothing. It don't do much. You want to try?
Yeah.
Here. Hold it. Go ahead. Hey!
Yeah.
Good job, Nova. I already did that. I already did by your car seat. Nobody really sits back here. Only like my mom once, me once. Ay, se apagó. Alright, this is gonna go back over here. I'm gonna move it out Tifu's way. Someone's watching the car. That white car over there is waiting. This one's, I don't know what you're doing. What happened?
It's a bola.
Okay, this is the best we're gonna get because I think they didn't really do much, honestly. It didn't do much. Did a little bit of work, but not as much as I thought it would. The vacuum, at least. Like, who said we need to spend $40 tonight?
I would
Right?
never. I would never.
Well, we're gonna do it for $6 by ourselves.
Wow, this is great.
The only thing I didn't really like was that vacuum. It didn't really do much. You could tell a little bit of the difference, but like,
Está bien aquí.
yeah. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the after. And this is the after, guys. I could tell the after. Yeah.
The yellow thing, we can go.
This is the after. It looks way better. Oh, yeah, I can see it better like this. What? Oh my god. I guess I'll dry up. But look how it looks super better. Super better. Better how it was. Looks nice and clean, and we did that. 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 It looks good. Bada bing, bada boom. So nice. So I'm here at Burlington because tomorrow is Jersey Day in my school, and I'm looking for. Tomorrow is Jersey Day in my school, and I need a shirt, a jersey shirt. Oh, I look like a mess, guys. And I cannot find one. This is a fail. I'm just gonna leave. Plus, the line is all the way back there, and the cashier is all the way up there. So this is not gonna work. I'm just gonna go in my uniform tomorrow. Never mind, guys. I'm not gonna get anything because the line. I can't find nothing, and the line is ridiculous. Let me show you guys the line. The cash register is back there. The line is around that, and it wraps around like this, and it goes all the way to the back to the men, and it goes all the way back here to that lady. She's the last one. I'm not gonna wait in the line. This is Burlington. It wraps around. It's ridiculous, ridiculous. So we were driving, and we were hoping she didn't see it. But she saw the ice cream truck, and obviously, yeah, it's gonna leave. My sister was like, let's go later, it's gonna leave. So we're here. I'm about to get an ice cream for the princess. Fun fact, this is my school. I graduated from the school. PS 138. I graduated from 4th grade. And now they have 5th grade, and I think they even have pre-K. They didn't have that before. Fun fact. Here's the ice cream truck. And there's Nova waiting. Are you excited? You excited for your ice cream? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, what's the song? Wow! Look at her living her best life with her ice cream. Are you happy now? She always wants ice cream. A delicious menu. I'm getting 2 chocolate, 1 for me, 1 for Sinai. Milkshake. Look at the prices though, guys. I remember these being $1 when I was little. $1. So my sister asked me for a chocolate cone, but I'm gonna surprise her with this milkshake. Because she's been wanting a milkshake, so let me see her reaction. Hold on. Surprise! I got you a milkshake.
Wow, this is a good day. $6 car wash.
Oh yeah, mine's here. Okay, come in, Nova. Oh, let me see. I'm about to get my eyebrows threaded for the first time, guys. This is the before.
Look, you see? No.
And this is the after. Guys, look at my eyebrows. You want to see? Look at my eyebrows. Oh, what happened? They don't look They don't look good? Yes, they do. I haven't done my eyebrows, guys, in so long. Look at that. I look like a whole... Wow. I was some ugly person 5 minutes ago. Because look at this. Let me see with my glasses on. Can't really see them. Look at this. Guys, I haven't done my eyebrows in so... Why? It was dead. I haven't done my eyebrows in so long. Look at this. Look at this. Dry skin. Dry skin. Dry skin. Dry skin.
It is.
Wow. 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 Look at this.
Turn it on. It is charging now. Look. And, hello, guys. She is not listening when it's already charged.
She just put it to charge, Nova. And if the car is off, it's not going to work. It's not going to charge. Not charging. It even says it here. The car's not on because she wants to go do her eyebrows herself.
Go down. I get to do the X.
Okay, now 7 plus 1. Okay, 5, 6, 7. And then you have to add one more.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 plus 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There we go. Come on.
7, 8, oh 8. Saku, Anna. Saku.
Good job. Now 5 plus 5, you know that one. What's 5 plus 5?
10.
Go ahead, pretend right here.
5
Come on.
plus 5.
Mm-hmm.
A down and then
A
1
0. Mm-hmm. Good job. Guys, this is the shirt I found. I forgot to tell you guys that I found a shirt. Went to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. Look at this. Look at this beautiful price. God already had a shirt for me at TJ Maxx. Like, it's a Yankee jersey. Doesn't have a number, which sucks a little, but everybody knows Yankees is for is a baseball team. So yeah, this is what I found. This is what I'm gonna wear. Alrighty guys, so I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm just gonna help Nova with her homework for a little bit. And
Wait,
then,
I don't know how to do a 5.
okay, I'll help you. And then I think Sinai's making hamburgers. I'm gonna eat a cheeseburger. And then, yeah, get ready for bed. So brush my teeth and do all that good stuff. So hope you guys like this vlog. This is a double vlog. Saturdays and today. So car wash was fun though. It was really fun. We definitely, hey, the one that said that doesn't know how to make a 5 just did a 5. Not the best, but she did it. Good job. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this
Look at mine.
double vlog. If you guys watch to the end, excuse me. If you guys watch to the end, you guys can leave a car. There's your car right here. Right there.
Wait, let
And-
me see you do that.
Right here. The car. And yeah. Bye guys. God bless.